Last week we told you about a story that the World Health Organization put out talking about red meat that could be very dangerous to you if you eat it for long periods of time. Our Tox Doc, Dr. Noreen Conn-Mayberry, is here, and she's going to weigh in on this.
Oh, yeah.
Red meat?
Yeah, red meat, processed meats especially, because they use a preservative, nitrate and nitrites, a lot of heavy sodium, and, it's all about the dose making the poison. So the World Health Organization has finally said, okay, yes, this is a human carcinogen, meaning that it is highly likely that you could possibly get colorectal cancer from consuming these types of meats on a regular basis. So again, it's about the dose. So if you're eating bacon every single day or processed meats every single day for lunch, you're giving yourself a much higher chance or risk of getting colorectal cancer down the line. And some people say, oh, not that big a deal, it's just bacon. But again, it's about the dose, and cancer's a long-term game. I mean, the latency period for that type of cancer can be anywhere from 10 to 30 years. So it's what you're eating now, how often you're eating it, and that really influences, whether or not you actually get colorectal cancer.
There was also news about vegetables.
Oh yeah, vegetarian foods being contaminated with human DNA, which doesn't surprise me at all because, when you go to these food processing facilities, food toxicology, we know all about this cross-contamination. You hear about vegetables being contaminated with, salmonella from animals that are downstream. So just think about that. Processing facilities, they're not, 100% clean. They're not totally free from cross-contamination. So finding human DNA probably happens more often than not. So just because someone tested it didn't surprise me at all. But, if you want to make sure something's truly vegan or vegetarian, always best to make it yourself.
Great information. Thank you so very much, Tox Doc.
All right.